Hello guys, are you still there? Welcome to Diani Village in Kenya.
Jumbo everybody! There are 42 different tribes in Kenya. Most of them abandoned their culture and live in civilization. But in Amboseli, we find the tribe that still lives in traditional way. We decide to visit Maasai village.
Yes,
So come to the sheds, I will with you. Where are you from?
Poland.
We are from Poland, and Stefan is from Denmark.
Denmark?
Yeah.
And you, Poland.
Poland.
Me Poland as well, yeah.
So I'm from Kenya.
Oh yeah, of course. Surprised me, yeah.
You speak Maasai?
Of course we do. Jumbo.
Yeah. Habari yako?
So welcome to the village. Okay?
Yeah.
Then after that we see the dance, Maasai dance. We have ladies and gentlemen, they can have the dance for you. You can join them, you can make them photos, no problem. And you are allowed to ask me many questions as you want. So let's see the fire. This is Maasai fire. This is cedar wood, and this is acacia.
So you need to have two different types of wood to do it?
Yeah. Cedar and acacia. We do frictions, and then fire coming. We use donkey dog or elephant to see the fire. So this is a softwood and hardwood. Okay. So somebody smoke, be ready, and then you can use Maasai fire.
Okay.
You got
the light.
Nice, but I promise you, some dancing.
This is first time in Kenya?
Yeah.
Yes, first time in Africa.
Africa.
Yeah. What you thinking, Hubert? Can you do it that way?
Yeah.
Bravo.
Nai.
After praying, Chief told us about brave Maasai warriors, about their culture, traditions, and also explained how they used to hunt for a lion, using just a simple spear. At the end of that interesting conversation, he invited us to one of their houses, which are made from cow manure and mud.
So let's go there in the middle. We see the dance.
Okay.
Wait. And mind your head, yeah.
Very cozy.
Yeah,
And why it's so dark? Because of the fire?
because of the smoke.
Because of the smoke, yeah.
Yeah,
So what is on the bed? That's the cow skin?
the skin of a cow. It's a mattress.
So who lives in this house?
What?
Who lives in this house?
My father, you see the father sitting outside?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a father house.
Okay.
Surprising, the house isn't actually smelly at all.
Why not this side?
Because right side, of course.
But I'm left-handed.
Yeah. You are left hand.
As you see, each of us got that useful wooden stick, which later locals tried to sell it for a ridiculous price. Did I mention that entrance to the village cost $10? Not much, but after dance and pictures, they kindly force us to visit a market. This time, I was a tough negotiator. And to get that handmade Maasai knife for $15. Also, I bought that old medic statue for $10. Overall, I need to say that was very interesting experience. At the end of our Amboseli tour, I want to show you something that this place is famous from. The big African elephant. We are in Amboseli National Park right now, and we're just watching some elephants that come in to us. I was really hungry after safari. Lucky our host waited for us with traditional Kenyan meal. Meat, spinach and ugali. Later we sit together, play cards and drink beer.
Also, there are two other function cards. There is a distraction card.
Unfortunately, on the next day we have to leave that majestic area of Mount Kilimanjaro and say goodbye to our friendly host from Twala Guest House. Why? Because also we want to see the beauty of African coast. We go in by car to Emali, and then we take a cheap Madaraka train to Mombasa. From there, straight to our destination point. Altogether about 500 kilometers. Hello guys, are you still there?
Welcome to Diani Beach in Kenya.
Diani Beach is one of the most beautiful places on the eastern coast of Africa. You can find here very wide and long beach, with a white sand and clean water of Indian Ocean. And believe me or not, this place isn't crowded at all.
I scream your name. Hello, hello, do you need me before I fade away? Is this a place that I call home to find what I've become? Walk along the path unknown. We live, we love, we lie. Deep in the dark, I don't need the light. There's a ghost inside me. It all belongs to the other side. We live, we love, we lie. Hello, hello, nice to meet you. Voice inside my head. Hello, hello, I believe you. How can I forget? Is this a place that I call home?
Pretty nice, right? On the next episode, we will have a dinner on Vazini Island.